rock in your rocking chair. How old are you? What? 1. What's your name? What's your name? Katie. How old are you? How old are you? You gonna sit in your rocking chair? Turn around. You have to turn around and sit down. You have to turn around. Turn around. And sit down. Do you need help? Okay, turn around and sit down. Do you need help? Do you have the hiccups? Okay, you want help?